Hello mga kolokoy. So, our topic for today is how to create a program that prints a half pyramid using the asterisk sign. So, for example, this is the example output of the program we will creating. So, the user is asked how many rows. Then, for example, the user inputs 6 rows, so therefore this would be the output of the program. So let's start creating the program. Sure to include IOStream using space std and print. So the program will consist of 3 parts. So first is the declaration of variable. The second part is read the user input. And the third is the logic of the program. So our goal is, first, the secret of this code is, first, we will output first the row. So for example, you input 5 rows, so the output will be like this. So before we proceed to the other side of the program. So in this program, we will use the nested for loop. So they call it nested for loop. So let's start the program. Int rows, I, then, so in this part, the program will ask the user on how many rows. So cout enter rows. Enter number of rows. Cin rows. So next is the for loop. So we'll put that on the logic. So for I is equals to 0, for I is equals to 0, I is less than or equals to 2 rows, I plus plus. So in the for loop, we will just output the line of the vertical line of asterisk symbol. So cout asterisk cout Okay. Return 0. Build and run. Okay. Number of rows. Build and run. Build and run. So for example, we type 5. Okay. So in this program, so it outputs 5 asterisk vertically. So the next problem is how to navigate or how to print the side of the asterisk of the triangle. So in that way, we will put a loop inside a loop. So this is called the nested loop, nested for loop to be specific. So we'll just add another variable x. So for x is equals to 1, then x is less than or equal to I, because we will navigate on the I values so that we can print the asterisk sign sideways. X plus plus. Okay. So we will just cut this bracket and put it at the bottom of the asterisk cout. So take note that the cout /n, which means new line, is not inside of the for loop of x is equals to 1. So let's try to run this program. Build and run. So for example, we will input 5. Okay. So as you can see, the asterisk here propagates the first vertical line. So this is the code of the half pyramid in C++ programming. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.